What up, everyone? Yeah, this is Russ's, or the AC guys, 14,000 BTU fetters with the B. And this one was for leak repair. And I could actually, yeah, this charge here was laying right on here. And you see it's been a problem for who knows how long. It's probably been a small weeper until it finally let go. But yeah, raise that shut. I'm gonna try, I might have to run home and get some 3/8 copper tubing, put a filter dryer in here just because this has been sitting flat with that open for a long time. I'd prefer to see it with a dryer. So, fire this back up. I mean, it's about 60, 65 in here. Yeah, it's gonna freeze up some. I mean, this loop's cold. As far as we're concerned, we're taking the compressor out of this for the fetters weather wheel that burned the terminal up. Now, this ain't getting junked. I have a compressor to go back in here, which should fit if a pancake fits in here. So, yeah. And there's Dave's new Montgomery Wards. And we got all kind of projects, you know, sitting outside. So, back to it.